Hey guys, you ready for lesson one? Here's what you're doing today. In Schoology, under A Raisin in the Sun, because this is our new text, you will see lesson one. You will see the slides for today, which is where you're watching this video, so good job you did it. Then you will see the Google form. In the Google form, you will answer questions and submit it so I can grade it. Then you will also see a CER assignment for your lesson today. We're going to build some background knowledge. We are about to read, how do I keep doing that? We are about to read this book, well, this play. And so before we do that, we need to build a little bit of background knowledge. She names her play A Raisin in the Sun after a very famous poem. Okay, so we're gonna watch a historical video and answer a question, and then we're going to read the poem that inspired her play. The poem is in your book, okay? It is in your book, but it's also on the slideshows, so we will listen to it. I will read it again, and then you will answer more questions on it. Okay, so just follow the slides, read the directions, and make sure you submit your Google form and your CER paragraph. Okay, enjoy.